concept, and the concept is use of noun as adjective. Really? Noun is adjective? Yes, noun can also behave as adjective in English grammar. Now, through this slide, we will learn that noun can also behave as adjective in English grammar. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, hope you are all well and enjoying your life. I welcome you all to the channel of Learn with MW. Viewers, don't go anywhere. We are starting part 6 of adjectives, in which we will be discussing further aspect of adjective in a very grammatical and conceptual way. Viewers, in order to start part 6, I want to give you a short recall. Viewers, up till now we have uploaded part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5 of adjectives, in which we have discussed about adjective in a very grammatical and conceptual way. In part 1, we discuss about the intro to adjective, and we also discuss the placement of adjective. We discuss the two places of adjective, that what is predicative adjective or predicative position, and we also discuss the attributive adjective or attributive position. Then in part 2, viewers, we have discussed a very important concept. The concept is article as adjective. Then in part 3 and part 4, we have discussed the types and kinds of adjective with tips and tricks. And then in part 5, we have discussed a very important concept, which was use of pronoun as adjective. So viewers, if you missed that videos, go through the channel and watch that video. Now, in part 6, we will be discussing further aspect of adjectives, and we will be discussing a very important concept, and the concept is use of noun as adjective. Really? Noun is adjective? Yes, noun can also behave as adjective in English grammar. Now, through this slide, we will learn that noun can also behave as adjective in English grammar. So let's start it. So look at, viewers, I have written an example or a statement. The statement is water is essential for life. One thing to remember, that we also discussed in noun, that nouns are basically naming word, or the name of the place, thing. All these naming words, we call them noun in English grammar. So look at, water is essential for life. Indeed, water is essential for life. Now look at, water is basically name, so naming words are basically called noun. So as usual, water is basically noun because it's a name. Now look at the second example. Water pollution is creating many problems, and the topic of this video is that use of noun as adjective, that noun can also behave as adjective in English grammar. So look at this example. Water pollution is creating many problems. So look at, pollution. Pollution is basically name, and naming words are called noun. Now look at, viewers, water is also naming word, and naming words are basically called noun. But here there are a lot of type of pollution. There are air pollution, there are water pollution, there are land pollution, there are soil pollution. So look at, water basically here add meaning to the noun pollution in term of quality. Water basically add meaning to the noun pollution in term of quality. So water is noun, but here water is basically used as adjective because water is basically adding meaning to the noun pollution in term of quality. And viewers, we have discussed that those words in English which basically add meaning to the noun in term of quality or in term of quantity, we call them adjective. Yes, hope you know it, that those words which basically add meaning to the noun in term of quality or either in term of quantity, we call them adjectives in English grammar, not adjective. Those are adjectives. So also learn the pronunciation. So look at, water is basically noun, but here water is basically adding meaning to the noun pollution in term of quality. That's why water here is behaving as adjective. So viewers, we have learned the concept use of noun as adjective. So look at this slide. We have learned this concept use of noun as adjective in this slide, that water is essential for life. So water in this sentence is basically noun because naming words are called noun. But look at this second example in this slide, that water pollution is creating many problems. So pollution is basically noun because it's a naming word, and there are a lot of pollution. There are land pollution, there are soil pollution, there are water pollution, there are air pollution. All these are the type of pollution. So pollution is noun, and water is basically here what is also noun, but here add meaning meaning to the noun in term of quality, and those words which add meaning to the noun in term of quality or in term of quantity, we call them adjective. So water basically behaving as adjective in this sentence. So viewers, hope you understand this concept. Took a screenshot of this slide. In the next slide we will be discussing further examples as well. So viewers, now look at this slide. Through this slide and through this example, we will learn this concept, use of noun as adjective in English grammar. So look at, I have written the example, the show, the government, the team, a film. So now look at, if I modify just this example, if I write this example as like this, the Kapil Sharma, the Kapil Sharma show, the Kapil Sharma show. And if I modify this example, the government is the Imran government, the Imran government. And if I modify this example, the team, the Baber Azam, the Baber Azam team. And if I modify this example as a film is a Salman Khan film. So look at, what I have done, this is basically, look at this example. Now through this slide, this is a very important slide, stay connected with us. Through this slide and through the example, we will learn this concept in a very easy manner, use of noun adjective. So look at, viewers, the show. So basically show is basically name, and naming words are basically called noun. But look at here, the Kapil Sharma show. Show as usual is basically noun, but Kapil Sharma is also name, and naming word are called noun. But remember that Kapil Sharma is basically adding meaning to the noun. Kapil Sharma is adding meaning to the noun in terms of quality, because there are not the show. There's not just one show of Kapil Sharma. There are a lot of shows. There are talk shows. There are famous shows in Pakistan as well, Hamid Mir shows, and all of these are the. So Kapil Sharma is basically adding meaning to the show. That's why Kapil Sharma is noun, but is behaving as adjective here. Kapil Sharma is basically noun, but adding meaning to the noun in terms of quality. That's why Kapil Sharma is behaving as adjective. Now look at this example. The government, so is a name. Government is basically name, and naming word are called noun. But look at here, the Imran government. So as usual, government is basically name, so the government is basically noun. But here the government is just not of Imran. There are the Shehbaz government, the Modi government, the Biden government. So look at all these. So Imran is basically noun, and Imran add meaning to the noun government. So that's why Imran is behaving as adjective, because we have learned that those words which add meaning to the noun in terms of quality or in terms of quantity are basically called adjective in English grammar. So Imran is basically noun, but it add meaning to the noun government. That's why Imran is behaving as adjective. So look at the third example, the team. So team is basically noun in this example, and same is here, the Baber Azam team. So team is again noun, but Baber Azam team is not just a Baber Azam. There is Rohit Sharma team, there is Rizwan team, there is Multan Sultan team, there is Peshawar Zalmi team. So look at, Baber Azam is basically adding meaning to the noun. Baber Azam is basically adding meaning to the noun in terms of quality, because it's showing the team of Baber Azam. So that's why Baber Azam is noun, but it add meaning to the noun. That's why Baber Azam is behaving as adjective. So we have learned that use of noun. Noun can also be used as adjective in English grammar. Look at the last example, a film. So film is basically noun, and same as here, a Salman Khan film. So film is noun as usual, and film is just not just of Salman Khan. There's Shah Rukh Khan film, there's Fawad Khan film. All of these are actor films. So look at, Salman Khan is noun, and it add meaning to the noun in term of quality. That's why Salman Khan is noun, but it is basically behaving as adjective, because it add meaning to the noun film in term of quality. So we must look at through this through this slide and through this example, we have learned in detail the concept use of noun as adjective, that noun can also be used as adjective in English grammar. Look at one more thing to remember, that viewers basically remember that articles we have discussed in part 2 adjective, that article is basically adjective, and in upcoming series of articles we will discuss that articles usually not come, or basically not come with proper noun. It usually come with a common noun. So now through the example I will be giving you a short intro to that concept, that articles the, are, and n, indefinite and definite article usually come with the common noun, not with the proper noun. So look at the Kapil Sharma show. So Kapil Sharma is basically a proper noun, but show is a common noun. So remember that the article the usually basically come with the show, not with the Kapil Sharma. The same is the case. Imran is basically a proper noun, and government is a common noun, because government can be of any, Imran government, Modi government. So the dependent article usually come, or basically come with the government, not with the Imran, because Imran is a proper noun. The same is the case the Baber Azam team. So team is a common noun and Baber Azam is a basically proper noun. So the article the come with the common noun. And look at a is basically indefinite article, and film is basically common noun. So indefinite article n, Salman Khan, is a proper noun. And remember that article are, n, and the definite and indefinite article comes usually and basically with the common noun, not with the proper noun. So film is basically a common noun and Salman Khan is basically a proper noun. So this indefinite article come with the film, not with the Salman Khan. So viewers, hope you have learned this concept, that use of noun as adjective, that noun can also be used as adjective in English grammar. The Kapil Sharma show is noun. Kapil Sharma is also noun, but it adding meaning to the noun show. That's why Kapil Sharma is used as adjective. Now look at the same example, the Imran government. Imran is basically noun, but it add meaning to the noun in term of quality government. That's why Imran is behaving as adjective. Imran is noun, but noun is used as adjective in English grammar. The same as example, the Baber Azam team. So Baber Azam is basically noun, but it add meaning to the noun team. So Baber Azam is basically noun and is used of noun is adjective in English grammar. The same is the case at Salman Khan film. So film is basically noun. Salman Khan is also noun, but it add meaning to the noun film. That's why Salman Khan is noun, but it is used as adjective in English grammar. And through this slide, we have also learned the concept that articles the, are, and n basically come with the common noun, not with the proper noun, or not with the specific name. It usually come with the common name, the name of the common places, common everyone, that is common name. Usually articles, the definite article as well as the indefinite article, come with the common noun, not with the proper noun. So look at, we have learned the Kapil Sharma is basically proper noun and show is basically common noun. So the definite article the comes with the show, not with the Kapil Sharma. Look at this example. We have just modified. So the is with the show, not with the Kapil Sharma. The government, so Imran is proper noun, government is common noun. So the is basically come with the government, not with the Imran. The same is the case, the basically come with the team, because team is a common noun. And the same is the case that indefinite article a come with the common noun film, because film is a common noun and Salman Khan is a proper noun. And ain't, remember the point that articles, definite article or whether it's indefinite article, comes with the common noun, not with the proper noun. So viewers, took a screenshot of this slide. Hope through this slide you understand the concept use of noun as adjective. So viewers, in this video, in part 6 of adjective, we have learned a very important concept, use of noun as adjective. And through various slides we also prove this concept, use of noun as adjective, that noun can also behave as adjective in English grammar. So you will stay connected with us. In upcoming videos, we will be discussing further aspects of adjectives in English grammar. Viewers, if you like this video, share this video with your friends, like and subscribe the channel as well. And don't forget to comment. Thank you very much.